Hello。哦，Hello，大家听得到吗？OK。Hello。Hi, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please type one. OK。如果听得到的话，请扣个一啊。Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, please type one. Okay. So today, what time is it now? 7:32. Let's wait for 1 minute. 7:33, we're gonna start our P2 TASMO sample paper, section C. Oh, okay. I can see people can hear me. All right. Okay. Is there any very hard question you want me to discuss? Or regarding last week, do you have any question you don't understand? 上周我们讲解的题有什么不明白的吗？上周我们 Teacher Penny 讲的题大家都 OK 吗？ Section A 跟 B 都 OK 吗？ OK 的话比个2吧。If everything okay, please type 2, right? I mean regarding last week, what Teacher Penny, our Section A and Section B, do you have any question you don't understand? Wow, thank you. You don't have any question you don't understand. Good job. All right. Thank you. I mean, this is Sandy, right? It's Sandy, correct? Hello. Okay, I think we can start now. All right. Okay, let's look at our section C today. Okay, first of all, I would like to go through question number 22 first. 我们先过第22道题啊，22道题比较偏逻辑思维。This is a logical reasoning question. Okay, so what the question say? The question say like this. Yes, Cindy. Okay, hi. Right? So question say, Mr. Low made 5 statements as below. Among them, there are 4 correct statements and 1 false statement. Which of the following is the false statement? Okay, first step first. First thing first. When you read the question, please underline the keywords. You have 5 statements here, right? 4 statements are correct statements. 1 statement is false statement. The question is asking to you to find out which statement is the false statement. Okay? 题目说有Mr. Low made 了5个 statements， 4个是正确的，1个是错的。我们要找出错误的 statement 是哪一个。So when you face this kind of question, is what you must understand immediately inside your brain， 在你的头脑里面要分析这是什么题目。This is a typical logical reasoning question， 这就是很典型的逻辑推理问题啊。你找出谁在说真话，谁在说假话。Okay， 我们可以用 easiest method to solve first. Alright? So when they say A, my son Alan has 3 younger sisters. B, my daughter Nicole has 2 brothers. C, my daughter Nicole has 2 older sisters. D, my son Alan has 2 brothers. And E, I have 5 children. Okay, when you read the question, scan through all these 5 sentences. Then you can start to think. Here you have two different kids, right? Either it's your son or it's your daughter. 只有儿子或者是女儿。So let's start from, do it in order. Let's start from A. My son Alan. Alan is definitely a name for a boy, right? So Alan has 3 younger sisters. That means you have sister number 1. Oh my god, it's a little bit here. Sorry. Okay, so let me write it again. My son Alan is a son, boy, has 3 younger sisters. So Alan has sister number 1, sister number 2, sister number 3. We don't know who are these sisters. Never mind. Let's go through next sentence. My daughter Nicole. So Nicole will be one of the sisters here, right? Nicole has 2 brothers. Okay, so here maybe this is Nicole. Has 2 brothers. That means you have how many sons? Maybe Alan is brother number 1. You will have another brother number 2. Okay, now go to next sentence. My daughter Nicole has 2 older sisters. So again, Nicole, isn't it you have sister number 2 and sister number 3? You have 2 older sisters, right? So this statement is definitely correct. Okay, Then my son Alan has 2 brothers. Look at how many brothers you have. You only have brother number 1, brother number 2. 你只有2个 brothers, 2个儿子啊。But the question say, my son Alan has 2 brothers, but you only have one. Alan only have 1 brother here. So this is suspicious. Option D is suspicion. Hello, hello. 哦，这里有一个猫和米老鼠吗 ？Hello. Yes, let's continue. So E, they say I have 5 children. D is the only sentence is suspicious, right? Let's check about E. E 是对的吗？ E 说你有Mr. Law 有5个 children， 你看是对的吗？1、2、3、4、5，所以我知道 E 是正确的。Only D is the false statement. Actually, Alan only has 1 brother. Is it clear? If you understand this one, please press number 3. Type 3. This is a typical logical reasoning question. Okay? You can use the easiest method, which is assumption method. You assume one sentence one by one. I assume Alan is correct. So Alan has 3 younger sisters. List out. This question, if I'm not mistaken, last time I did this question is, I think SMKC come up with 1 question like this, and TASMO come up with 2 questions like this from the past year paper. So this is quite important, logical reasoning. Okay, I see a lot of people type 3, good job. Then let's come to question number 21. Let's come back to question number 21. This question, you see like bubble, 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 or a lot of like square, square. This is what we call number matrix. Okay, number matrix. It's also one kind of combinatorics question. 也是我们说的组合题. Why is it 组合题? You need to combine this number and that number. So it's 组合题 as well. So let's see the question. Let's look at the question. Fill in each blank with a number from 5, 9, 13, 14, 17, 21, 25, so that the sum of the 3 numbers along each line is 44. Here, you are given some numbers, and there is a keyword from the sentence that tell you sum of 3 numbers along each line is 44. Okay, here, keyword, underline the keyword. Okay, from the given keyword, 从你的线索 ，OK， 你知道什么呢？你知道这3个 these 3条线 sum of 3 numbers along each line is 44. So 这一条线 these 3 bubble 44, correct? 这个 3 bubbles on one line 44. 3 bubbles on one line 44. Wow, good job, Sandy. Nice. All right. So this is 44. Label. Once you have information, label. Okay, this is how you train yourself. All right, label. Okay. Now I know that. Observe. Okay, observe. How many bubbles in the diagram? How many bubbles in the diagram here? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bubbles here, correct? Wow, there's a lot of people come up with the answer. Good job. Okay, so let's solve this one together. 7 bubbles, and you have 7 numbers given from the question, correct? 7 numbers. That means, what does it mean is, 1 bubble has 1 number. This bubble has 1 number respectively. Their number is respectively. Okay? Now, if 1 number represents 1 bubble, and they tell you these 3 numbers plus together 44, these 3 numbers plus together 44, these 3 numbers plus together 44 as well. Question, do you know which number should I put like here? Do you know? We don't know, right? You have 7 different numbers. You don't know which number should I put at which bubble. So here is how we should think when we solve this kind of question. Okay? 因为我们不知道到底哪一个 bubble 要放哪一个数字，对吗？所以我们应该怎么算呢？ First of all, these 3 lines, 我知道这3个 sum equals to 4, 都是 44, 44, 44. 我知道每一个 bubble 代表一个数字。好，这3个 bubble 都包含了这7个数字。sorry, 这3条 line, these 3 lines include all these 7 numbers, correct, right? But it's just I don't know where to put. So why don't we find out the sum of these 7 numbers? Sum, where do I write the total number? Total number. Sum of all the numbers, sum of total number. Okay, let's find out what is the sum of total number here. because all color you will be involved, right? You will overlap, all color, not overlap, sorry, all color you will involve. So why don't we first find what is the sum of all these numbers? 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 21 plus 25 equals to, okay, when you solve addition, another extra point. What is this? You can solve, how to solve fast way is you can solve using best friend fact. Who is the best friend for 5 to make it 10? Something and in 10, the multiples of 10. So this is your 10, 30, 30, 30, 14, right? 3 group of 30 plus 14 is 90 plus 14, which is 104. I know the sum of these 7 bubbles is 104, but I just don't know which number fit which bubble. So now I know that 3 line here is 44. I know that these 3 line is 44. Your sun's supposed to be what? 132, right? 132, but why there is a difference between the total number and this sum, the sum of each line? Why do I call it a line sum? Oh, line sum is a bit weird. Sum of line, 3 lines. I read 3 lines. Why are they different? Good job, because of overlapping. Which bubble is overlapping? Is it at the corner here or is it at the middle here? Which, oh, good job. The middle bubble is overlap, right? How many times it overlap? Think about it. You have 3 lines here. How many times this bubble overlap? It overlap extra 2 more times, correct? So we know that there is a difference of 132 minus 104 is 28. Overlap extra 2 times. That means one bubble is 28 divided by 2 equals to 14. So immediately I know the middle number is 14. Understand this one? Yes, thank you. Understand this one? Teacher Michelle gonna share with you another Kung Fu. Are you ready for it? A little bit harder, but it's exactly same thing how I do. Yes, divide by 2. Good job, Sandy. Nice. Is there any other question? Oh yes, you want to learn harder method? I can share with you. I pass my Kung Fu to you. Are you ready? Okay, now here I teach you, huh? Okay, I'm going to teach you. Again, the key would tell you 44, 44, 44. Like this, right? I know 7. OK, 很好。为什么要减104？你3条线的总和是132，为什么跟104不一样呢？你要想，你可以想，为什么跟这个全部数的总和只有104？这3条线的总和跟这全部数的总和为什么不一样？这就是破这道题的关键点。OK， now let me use another method, Teacher Michelle preferable method. Alright, my Kung Fu, my own Kung Fu. Again, we know that these 7 bubbles represent 7 numbers, correct? Let me name all these bubbles. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let me name all these numbers. 7 different bubbles represent 7 different numbers. Until here, okay? 7个不同的泡泡就代表着7个不同的数字。Alright? Now, 我们知道每一个泡泡都会被 cover， 每一条线的 line of sum is 44, 44, 44。这3条线各自的 sum 是44，各自的 sum 是44。So 我 try to 每一个它都会 cover 到，对吗？所以我 try 找它的这几个数的总和，它都会被 cover 到，找这几个数的总和。5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 21 plus 25。用好朋友数是最快的方法求和哈。所以我知道这是30 30 plus 14。3 group of 30 plus 14 is 90 plus 14, which is 104. Okay? Now, I try to list out the equation. You will see what is the problem here. Here, this line is A plus B plus C, correct? This line, the sum of this line is A plus B plus C will be 44. This line, the purple color line, is C plus F plus G equals to 44 as well. This line, the blue color line, C plus D plus E equals to 44 as well. Okay, remember just now what I say? Each bubble represents one number. Here you have 7 numbers, 7 bubbles. So let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 numbers represent 7 bubbles. So isn't it all the bubbles until G here? All 7 numbers will be here. But you will have extra how many more C? You have extra 2 C, correct? So let's list out all together. 44, 44, 44 plus together is 132. 7 different alphabet is here. Represent 104, correct? Still remember, we count 7 different numbers here. Is 104. So 7 different alphabet here is 104. But you still have extra 2C. So this extra 2C, yes, extra 2C is 132. Okay, why not I write it properly again? Is 104. Sorry, teacher Michelle, not enough space here. It will become 104 plus 2C equals to 132. So 2C is 132 minus 104, which is 28. 2C is 28. 1C is 28 divided by 2, which is 14. This is like, if you understand this 4 method, you can use this another method to save your time. C equals to 12. C equals to 14, right? Seagull. C equals to 28 divided by 2 is 14, right? Okay. Any other question? Which method you prefer? Method number 1 or method number 2? They are actually the same concept. I just show you the process. Why is it 132 minus 104? Method number 1 or method number 2? Which one you prefer? Okay. Alright. Now let's look at our question number 21 now. Okay. Method number 2. Yes, some of you prefer method number 2. Teacher Michelle, myself I also prefer method number 2. Yes, 2 is more easier. You learn 1. I can. It's actually, I show you the process. I prove to you the process. Why is it like this, minus the number. Okay. Now try to solve it. No, it's okay. But make sure during exam you don't write it wrongly, right? Must double check after your exam. Okay. Now let's look at question number 21. In the figure on the right, please put digits 1 to 7 in the 7 circles so that the 3 digits in every straight line add up to 12. Again, they tell you 3 digits in every straight line add up to 12. What is the digit in the middle cycle? What is the digit in the middle cycle? Now, you already do a good job. Okay, so how? Again, what are these digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you prefer method number 1, okay, I will show you how. First of all, as what we do just now, we do our first step is to find our total sum, correct? 我们刚刚的第一步是不是找总和？ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 7. This one, kid, you must memorize already. It should be inside your brain because we learned it in last semester, in lesson number 10, right? If not, I'm not mistaken. It should be 28. The sum 1 to 7 is 28. And then they tell you 3 digits in every straight line add up to 12, right? Let's find. It's actually just like the question just now. Actually, this line plus this line plus this line, you will cover all the, how many bubbles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 bubbles as well, right? Do you have to double count this line and this line, up and down line? No. Like these 3 different lines, you can cover all the 7 bubbles. So that means this line is 12, 12, 12. 3 lines is supposed should be 12 times 3, which is 36. But just now what you count is 26. What happened there? That means you will have some difference, right? Why is it you will have difference? 36 minus 28 is 8. Why is it you have difference? Because you overlap counted, double counted 2 times. Oh, good job, girls. Good job. My student, yes. Because you double counted, not 2 times, double counted. So extra, you counted extra 2 times here. This bubble, you actually used 3 times. That means you counted 2 more extra times. So 2 more extra time is 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. That is how you're gonna use using first method. Yes, the middle number is 4. Very good. Okay, but what if those who like second method? Those who like second method, how to solve it? Again, Teacher Michelle will label the bubble. Teacher Michelle you always use the easiest method, my preferable method, my method number 2. I label my bubble as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I'm gonna prove this method is a bit complicated this time because it involves the vertical line, diagonal line here. So how you do is, A, they tell you sum of the line A plus B plus C is 12. They tell you A plus D. Do it in order, kids. When you solve the question, remember my words. Do it in order. If you start from A, then just continue A. A plus D plus G is also 12. Finish with A, these two lines, go to B. You will have B plus D plus F equals to 12, right? What else? And you will have C plus D plus E equals to 12 as well. And don't forget about the last line. E plus F plus G equals to 12. This is usually what I would do. Because what I observe is 5 lines here. So I will list out every equation. You can use first method and then use second method to double check. How? Okay, now A, B, C. It appears how many times in total? 1, 2, 3, C, D, E, F, G. The first group is here, right? I use another color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You will realize that sorry. You will realize that you have 2 groups of A to G with extra 1 more C here, extra 1 more D here, the middle number, extra 1 more time. What is the total sum here? Okay, 2 groups of A to G, another group of A to G with extra D in the middle. What is the sum? 5 groups of 12 is 60. Just now we count what is the total sum for this 7 number is 28. So this number is actually this 7 number is actually your 28. This 7 number is actually your 28 with extra D is out. 28 plus 28 with extra D is 60. 28 plus 28 is 56 plus D is 60. So D equals to 4. Oh, I should write down 60 minus 56 is 4. Wait. Equals to 4. These are the 2 different methods you can use. When you want to do double check, you can use another method to double check. Okay? Usually, kids will not know that these 3 lines already cover all the bubble. So if you're using the, I think method 2 is easier. If you take method 2, just list out, label the bubble, list out the equation. You will find out the answer. Understand this one? If you understand, please write maybe 4. Write 4. Type a 4. Let me know you understand. During exam, don't panic. Use the rules, solve the question. Okay? Any 4 here? Do you understand this question? Oh, I see someone write 4. Thank you. Okay, cool. Alright, now that's it for question number 21. What about question number 23? Okay, I give you some warm-up question first. Okay, so if you are a long-term course student, you should have learned chicken and rabbit, correct? Yes, M1 里面的 different, yeah, okay. 你一定要找到那个差，它会有差，因为它中间的数字重叠了几次。如果你觉得 method 1很难用，没关系，你可以把它列出来，给每一个 bubble 一个名字 A 加 B 加 C， 然后列出来，你会找出每一组里面都有7个 different numbers。每一组里面都有7个 different number， 你这里会有2组 with extra 一个 number 是 D， 所以2组，一组是28，另一组是28加 D 等于60，你就会推出 D 等于4。OK， 这个就是 combinatorics 组合题，他喜欢你 mix and match 的，他想要你2个数字组合在一起。Wow, you can use algebra equation. Yes, 有的小朋友 prefer method number 1。有的小朋友会 prefer method number 2. Okay, now cool. Let's solve question number 23. Before question number 23, I let you know concept of chicken and rabbit. Okay, so here the question tell you a total of 5 chickens and rabbits are caged together. There are 14 legs inside the cage. Figure out how many chickens and rabbits are there in the cage respectively. Draw it out. Let's use the simplest form first. 我们先用 drawing method 来说，为什么怎么做 before 你 jump to 很难的 algebra 很难的 assumption method. Let's use the simplest form first, okay? 他说 use drawing method. Here the question tell you 有5个动物，对吗？5个动物长了14条腿，5 chicken and rabbit, 5 animals with 14 legs. So let's see, 5 animals, you definitely have 5 heads, right? So your first step is to draw out your heads, 5 heads. But do you know how many chickens, how many rabbits are there here? You don't know, right? You don't know how many chickens, how many rabbits. But both of them have the same item. What is it? Both of them have the same number, at least have that number of legs. What is it? At least they will have 2 legs, right? You are chicken, you will have 2 legs. You are rabbit, you will have 4 legs. That means at least 2 legs, okay? Let's draw out these 2 legs. This is what we convert. All of them at least have 2 legs. So I draw 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 animals, I draw 2, each of them 2 legs. That means we'll have 10 legs in total. But the question tell you how many legs are there? You have 14 legs, right? You have 14 legs. What you draw is only 10 legs. So what happened to the extra 4 legs? We need to draw 4 more legs. What happened to these legs? Can I put this extra 4 legs here? Wow, this animal have 6 legs already. Do your farm, chicken and rabbit, do you have 6 legs? So can I put all the 4 legs there? It's a big no. So what should I do what should I do is, let me erase it. I transform, just like the transformer, the boys like, okay? Transform chicken into rabbits because your cage only have chicken and rabbit. So I transform them to rabbit. Rabbits will have how many legs? 2 more legs, right? So I put extra 2 more legs for one animal, for one circle, okay? Extra 2 more legs. But your extra 4 legs, that means you need to put 2 extra legs on 2 animals. That means, how many rabbits do you have? This is your rabbit. So 2 rabbit, this will be your chicken, 3 chicken. Until here, you understand? For those who never learn chicken and rabbit, first, I know that 5 animals, I have 5 heads, correct? So I draw 5 circles. 14 legs, your real life have 14 legs. But I don't know how many chicken, how many rabbits here. But what I know is, no matter you are chicken, no matter you are rabbit, at least you will have 2 legs, correct? Chicken 2 legs, rabbits 4 legs. At least both of them will have 2 legs. So I draw 2 legs for them. And after I draw 2 legs, you only have 10 legs. Not enough. So what I do is, I will have extra 4 legs outside. I cannot be put 4 legs on top of this animal, right? It doesn't make sense. So what I know is, to transform them from chicken to rabbit, I add 2 more legs for one animal. 2 more legs for one animal. Okay? And then I can know which animal is rabbit, which animal is chicken. Until here, okay? Is it clear? This is the simplest one to explain chicken and rabbit. Alright? Now during exam, your number cannot be so small, 5 only. What if they give you 100? You're gonna draw 100 circle. Cannot, no. Cannot draw 100 circle. So let's try to convert these 3 steps into words, into numbers. So here into numbers. Here is what we call the assumption method. If I convert it into number, we call it assumption method. Okay? Assumption method. Just now, first step, I assume all of them, what animal? 2 legs, right? 2 legs is chicken. Because small number is easier to count. That is the reason why we always assume the least number. Okay? Always assume the least number is easier to count. I assume all chicken. You have 5 animals here. If all of them 2 chicken, you suppose have 10 legs. But there is a difference there. Why? Because your real life, you have 14 legs. But if you assume all chicken, that means you only have 10 legs. Your difference will be 4. So that means what? Can my whole farm here be all chicken? Cannot, right? If all of them chicken, you only have 10 legs. That means they must have some rabbits. So what should I do here? Think about it. Can I just put rabbit inside? This is my question, and listen carefully, kids. Can I just put rabbit inside the farm? Does it make sense? Can I? Think about it properly. The question say, this farm has how many animals? How many animals are caged together? Only 5, right? I cannot just put rabbit inside, because you can only have 5 animals. So what teacher Michelle can do is, I do adjust. How to adjust? This is my very professional concept. How can I adjust? I adjust by take out 1 chicken. Take out 1 chicken, replace with 1 rabbit. Then your total sum is still 5 animals here, is correct? So how I adjust is, I take out 1 chicken, I put inside 1 rabbit. Take out 1 chicken means I take out how many legs? I take out 2 legs. I put inside 4 legs. So every time I adjust, I will increase by 2 legs. Okay? Every time I adjust, every time I take out 1 chicken, put inside 1 rabbit, increase by 2 legs. 每一次我在调整，我都会 increase by 2 legs。那我调整了几次呢？我的差是4，每一次我调整 increase by 2 legs。So here is the reason why you use 4 divided by 2 equals to 2。代表你 these 2 represent you adjust 2 times。你调整了2次，你调整了2次，代表你几个 rabbit？How many rabbits are there？ 你拿出了2次 chicken， 你放进去2次 rabbit，that means you will have 2 rabbits。How many chicken do you have? You will have 5 animals total. In total number minus 2 rabbits, you will have 3 chicken. Is that clear? This step is the most important step. You will have 2 rabbits, 3 chicken. But kids, do not stop here. Never stop without double checking. How to double check? Sorry, teacher Michelle has not enough space. I'm gonna write here, okay? This is my 4th step. How to double check? Since I have 2 rabbits, 1 rabbit you will have 4 legs. And I count 3 chicken. 1 chicken has 2 legs. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 6. Is it equals to 14? If this number 14 is same as this number, that means your answer highly likely is correct answer. Yeah, I teach you before. Yeah, luckily you still remember. I'm not going to hit your buttock. Okay, is this clear? These 4 steps, okay, assume all smaller number, difference, find the difference, then you adjust. This is only thing academic student, my student know this one. Adjust. You take out what, put inside what. The last step is you check. Okay? Assumption method, all good? Is Ethan here? Assumption method, all good? Okay. Now I'm going to proceed to next question. I want to test whether you really understand. Alright? So let's look at this one. There are a total of 22 ducks and cows on a farm. Okay. 22. Okay, triangle the important information. 22 ducks and cows on a farm. There are 54 legs altogether. 54 legs altogether. Question. How many ducks and cows are there? There are blah blah ducks and blah blah cows. Solve using assumption method. Please solve. Our first step, still remember our 4th step? Assume, difference, adjust, double check. How? First step, assume. I assume all ducks is easier to do or all cows. Which one is easier to do? I assume all smaller number of legs is easier to do, correct? So I first assume all ducks. Oh my gosh. Okay, all ducks. All ducks. You have 22 animals here. If all of them duck, you will have 44 legs. But in real life, is it only 44 legs? No, right? You will have 54 legs. That means there is a difference here. What is the difference? Difference is 54 minus 44, which is different is 10 legs. 10 legs, that means your farm cannot be all duck inside. If all of them duck inside, you only have 44 legs. But now we have 54 legs, that means they must have some cows. So what should I do? I should adjust. How to adjust? I need to take out what animal? Take out duck, I put inside cows. Very good. I take out ducks, I take out 1 duck, I put inside 1 cow. Because you must make sure the farm only have 22 animals. 一定是22只动物啊，你不可以盲目的加 cows 进去，这就错了。OK， now take out ducks. Okay, wait, where is my pen? Green color. Take out ducks means I take out how many legs? 我拿出了2只脚 and put inside cows. That means I put inside 4 legs. Every time I adjust, I will actually increase two legs. Every time I adjust, I increase 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs. 10 is the difference. Every time I adjust, increase 2 legs. That means 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times I adjust. Okay? 5 times I adjust. That means what? How many cows are there here? Think about it. 5 times I take out duck, put inside cow. Take out duck, put inside cow. That means I will have 5 cows. What about duck? Altogether 22. You take away 5. That means 17, right? Yes, 17. 17 duck. Now, can I stop there? Question, can I stop there? What is my last step? Please type there. What is the last step? What I need to do? Kids, what I need to do? Something start with C. Yes, I need to check. Good job, Sandy. How to check? 5 cows. 1 cow will have 4 legs. 17 ducks. 1 duck you will have 2 legs. So 5 times 4 is 20. 17 times 2 is 34. Altogether you will have 54 legs. Is that what you are looking for? That means your answer is highly likely your answer is correct. Okay? I don't highly likely. Your answer is confirmed correct. For 17 ducks and 5 cows. Do you understand this assumption method? This is how you integrated. 它怎么从一个画图变到这个假设法？第3步是最重要的 ，OK？ 第3步是最重要的，应该没有其他机构不是这样子教啊。学而思是这样子教，拿出什么放进去什么 ，How you adjust？OK？ 第3步是最重要的。Yes, thank you. Alright. Is everything okay with this one? Why so many M? Okay. 好，那我们来 upgrade. We upgrade to another question. Alright? Exactly the same method. Okay, wait, let me say something. This is typical chicken and rabbit question. Why is it chicken? You can count how many eggs. You need to analyze how many eggs and how many legs. Alright? This is a chicken and rabbit question. Now, what about this kind of question? Apu the tiger took part in math competition. There were a total of 10 questions. Okay, 10 questions. For every question answered correctly, 5 marks will be awarded. For every unanswered or wrongly answered question, 2 marks will be deducted. If he scored a total of 22 marks, how many questions did he leave unanswered or answered wrongly? Blah blah question. So, yes, Apu the tiger. Okay, so here is also chicken and rabbit question. Why? Let me write a big chicken and rabbit. Is also chicken and rabbit question. Why is it? You will have heads, alright? Remember 10 animals. So here is your 10 question, is your animals. You have 10 animals, 10 heads. Either is cow, either is duck, remember? So either you answer correctly, either you answer wrongly or unanswered. If you answer correctly, you will plus 5 points. 5 points will be awarded. If you answer wrongly, 2 marks will be deducted. Oh, very careful about the symbol, okay? Very careful. If I have 1 question, just like the question chicken and rabbit, I have 10 animals, either is duck, either is cow, okay? Or either is chicken, either is rabbit. You have 2 different results. Either I answer correctly, get 5 points, either I answer wrongly, minus 2 points. So kids, you must learn how to analyze your question. Then you finish the sentence. If he scored a total of 22 marks, 22 stand for what? 22 stand for numbers of legs, correct? 5 heads, 22 legs. Question, how many questions did he leave unanswered or answered wrongly? So here, let's use the assumption method. Assumption method can solve a lot of questions. Assume all of them answer correctly is easier to do, or assume all of them answer wrongly is easier to do. Think about it. Positive number is easier to do or negative number? Positive number is easier to do, right? So teacher Michelle, assume. I assume all of them answer correctly. You have 10 questions. If all of them answer correctly, you're supposed to get 50 points, right? But here you only get 22 marks. So what does it mean? You will have difference. You will have difference. Very good. So 50 minus 22 is 28 marks is your difference. What is the third step? You adjust. Why? Because you cannot be all correct. You have 22 marks there. 22 marks. You only have 22 marks. So what should I do? I take out what and put inside what. Just now I assume all correct. But it cannot be. If all correct, you will have 50 marks. Here you only get 22 marks. How can I adjust? I take out what and put inside what. Think about it. I take out what and put inside what. Yes, I see the correct answer. I take out correct answer. I put inside wrong answer. Now, let me write down first. I take out correct answer. I put inside wrong answer. Take out correct answer. I take out how many marks? I take out 5 marks. Put inside wrong answer. I will further deduct 2 marks. You understand why is it? As we all learned before, if you assume all correct, you will be here, right? Take out your hands. You can label, you can think about it yourself. If you assume all correct, you're supposed to be here. 有的有回放，谢谢家长别担心啊，有回放。If you answer all correct, you're supposed to be at this height. But now, you not only not correct, you need to take out the correct answer. You have to further minus, put inside the wrong answer. Okay? Further minus 2 points. So what is the actual difference here? Every time you adjust, you will minus 7 points. Difference is 28. Every time you adjust, minus 7 points. How many times you adjust? 28 divided by 7 is 4 times you adjust. 4 times you adjust means 4 times you take out the correct answer, 4 times you put inside the wrong answer. So how many wrong answers are there? How many wrong answers are there? Oh, maybe mine is a bit late. How many wrong answers? 4 times I adjust. Correct. 4 times I adjust means 4 times I take out correct, 4 times I put inside wrong answer. So there are 4 wrong answer or unanswered question. And how many correct answer? Altogether is 10. 4 are wrong, that means 6 correct answer, right? Until you feel okay? Is it too fast? Let me know if you have any question you are a bit confused. I can answer you. 6 correct answer, very good. Then can I stop there? I cannot stop there, right? What is the last step I need to do? Must always double check. How to double check? Sorry, I don't have any space. I must always double check. How to double check? I have 6 correct questions, 6 times 5, and equals to 30. I have 4 wrong answer. 4 times 2, 8. 30 minus 8. Isn't it equals to 22 as well? That means your answer is correct. Okay? But we haven't filled in the blank. How many questions you answer wrongly? 4 questions you answer. Is that clear? 这边 OK 吗？大家都跟得上吗？ Yeah, cool. I see someone give me the correct answer. Good job. J Buster, well done. Yuan Jing, good job. Yeah, correct. Everyone all good? Clear? If clear, can you type maybe 2? If clear, you understand, please type a 2. Must understand the third step, how you adjust. That is my personal kung fu. Okay, if you understand, you can press a 2. Alright, I see some 2 there. Good job. Okay, now here come to our this question. Our question number 23. You want to try yourself? Maybe I give you like 1 minute to try yourself. How to do this question? I read the question for you. They say there is a total of 40 questions. See the keyword label. There is a total of 40 questions in TASMO 2023. 4 points will be awarded to each correct answer, while 1 point will be deducted for each wrong answer. Nicole scored 95 points in this exam. She answered blah blah questions correctly. How to do? First, kids, analyze the question. What type of question is it? Is it sum and multiple? Is it chicken rabbit? Or is it excess and shortage? It must be chicken and rabbit. Why? Which number represent number of animals? You have 40 questions. That means you have 40 animals. Okay? You have two different results. Either you answer correctly, either you answer wrongly. Answer correctly, earn 4 points. Answer wrongly, minus 1 point. Okay? Either this, either that. Either chicken, either cows, either rabbits. Okay, so either correct, either wrong. So this is your, this is your choose. You need to choose how many different types. Then you will have 95 points. That means 95 is your number of legs. 40 is your 40 animals, 95 legs. Okay? Maybe I give you 1 minute to try by yourself. 1 minute, try by yourself. Don't forget about our 4 steps. You need to assume. You need to find difference. If there is a difference, that means you must adjust. How to adjust is the key point. Then you check whether your answer is correct or not. I give you 1 minute only. 8:19, I'm gonna tell you the answer. Or 8:20, 2 minutes. 8:20, I'm gonna check your answer. Please try using the method I teach you just now. Okay? Then you let me know your answer. You assume all correct is easier to do, or you assume all wrong is easier to do. Which one is easier to do? And then they must have difference, right? What is the difference? Third step, that means you cannot be all something, right? It cannot be all correct, all wrong, right? You need to adjust. How to adjust? Take out what, put inside what. Then you double check. Alright, I give you 2 minutes, 2 minutes only. If you finish, if you're done, you can type your answer in the chat box. I'll see whether your answer is correct or not. Question is asking how many questions she answer correctly. Okay? Use the 4 steps I teach you. Don't memorize the step. Understand the step. Have you double checked, Breeze? Have you double checked? Every time you adjust, adjust is the step. Okay? 1 more minute. Anyone has any correct answer? 1 more minute, 1 more minute. Okay? Now, 1 more minute, we're gonna start. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, 8:20, it's time. Okay, now, what is the first step? I assume, right? Assumption method, easiest way to do. Assume all correct is easier to do, or assume all wrong. Assume all correct is easier to do. 40 question. Assume all correct, you will get 160, right? 160. That means, is it all correct? No, right? What is, oh my god, second step. What is the second step? You will have some difference. What is the difference here? If you all correct, you will be 160. But here you only have 95 marks. That means your difference is 160 minus 95 is what? Is 65. Your difference is 65. And then that means you cannot be all correct. You cannot be all correct. You must have some wrong question. What is my third step? I try to adjust. How to adjust? I take out something, put inside something. I take out the correct question, put inside wrong question. So I take out 4 marks. I take out the correct. That means I minus 4 marks, right? Then I put inside the wrong one. Further minus 1. Assume if you all correct, you will be here. I take out the correct, I go to 0. I further get 1 wrong. So what is my big difference here? I minus 5 marks. Difference is 65. Every time I adjust, I minus 5 marks. How many times I adjust? 65 divided by 5, it will be 1, 3. 13 times I adjust. 13 times I take out correct, put inside wrong. Take out correct, put inside wrong. So I have how many wrong answer? Wrong question, 13. How many correct? Use the total minus 13 equals to 27. Okay, so you answer 27 correctly. But can I stop here? No, if you stop here, if teacher Michelle students stop here, hello? Can I hit your button? Don't stop there. Must always double check. How to check? You have 27 correct answer. 27 times 4 will give you 108. Then you will have how many questions wrong? 13 questions wrong. So 13 times 1 is 13. 108 minus 13 is 595. So is that what we are looking for? Yes, exactly. So your answer highly likely is correct. But look carefully when you fill in the blank. She answer how many questions correctly? Is it 13 or 27? She answer 27 questions correctly. Okay? Oh, good. This one. Yeah, J Buster, cool. 27. Yuan Jingli, yes, correct. She answered 27 questions correctly. Okay? Alright. Is there any question you want to ask? Can we go to next one? Next question? Yeah, I think we can go to next question, right? This question is pretty easy. Alright, go back and practice Math Perfect, right? If you are our current student, you learn this method, please use this method and solve your chicken and rabbit that question, or that question. Instead of using the table method, you can try using the assumption method to solve. Okay? Alright, now, question number 24. Alright, it's actually something talking about shape in equation. Okay, let me pass my Kung Fu to you, kids. Shape in equation. Let me pass my Kung Fu to you. What is it, shape in equation? I'll show you something like this. Here, let's look at question number 24 first. Question stated as below. Okay? Okay. So Daisy puts some books. Yeah, Teacher Penny. Yeah, later. Secret. Daisy put some books on the scales. The first two scales are balanced as shown in the diagram below. How many purple books and yellow books should Daisy put on the right side of the third scale so that the third scale will also be balanced? Alright, so let's look at the scale here. Here's 2 red color, 2 green color equals to 2 purple color. The first scale show like this, understand? Second scale, 4 purple color and 1 yellow color equals to 2 red color and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green color. And then the question is asking for third scale, right? Third scale is telling you 1 red color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green color. And they ask you, how many purple color? How many yellow color? Okay, this is a typical shape in equation question. When Penny is watching me, oh my gosh, okay, secret, don't, okay. Teacher Penny is watching me, oh no, alright. So shape in equation, only 3 Kung Fu I want to pass you. First one, let's do a quick revision, okay? First one. First thing first is your find short in long. Remember your tapao method? Your tapao method. Oh, your teacher Michelle word horrible today. Find short in long, or what we call is tapao method. Or second step is something you will find out. Third step is blah blah. You will find out later. Let's revise find short in long. Okay? Most students should have seen this one, right? Teacher Penny and teacher? Where is Teacher Mew Fangs? Come, where's Teacher Mew Fangs? Teacher Penny and Teacher Mew. Oh, you heard? You don't learn that? You must have learned this, yes. Teacher Penny has how many? Has 3 French fries and 2 Coke, which is 24. Teacher Mew has 1 French fries and 1 Coke, which is $10. Alright, remember my first Kung Fu? Find short in long. Which one is the shorter equation? First or second? Find short in long. Which one is the shorter equation? Second equation is the shorter equation, right? So we tapao. You know what is tapao? You go to restaurant, you take away, you tapao. You tapao these 2, pack in 1 package, which costs you $10. Do you see the exact same thing in this first equation, which is longer equation? Do you see the things that you can tapao? Yes, you see, right? You see you can tapao 1 French fries, 1 Coke, which costs you $10. Labor. What teacher Michelle likes to say is labor. 1 French fries, 1 Coke is $10. So look at the longer equation. French fries plus $10 plus $10 is 24. That means French fries must be, French fry must be, okay, French fry must be 24 minus 10, which is 24 minus 20. 24 minus 20 equals to 4. Once I know French fry is 4, labor, use the short equation and find out what is Coke. Okay? I know this one is $4. $4 plus cola equals to 10. So cola must be 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Easy, right? This one. Baby math, correct? Yes, it's baby math. Right? So this is the first Kung Fu, what we call find short in long. Or teacher Michelle like to call it tapao method. You tapao the things in shorter equation and find whether they are same thing in longer equation. And then you will find out immediately. Right? I give you one question to try this one. Okay, use Kung Fu number 1 to solve. Find short in long. Which one is the shorter equation? Equation number 1, A, or equation number B? Equation B, A or B? Find short in long. Find short in long. Tapao which one? Tapao shorter equation. So tapao, these two picked together equals to $9. Do you see the exact same thing that you can tapao in longer equation? If yes, please tapao and find out what is the remaining things. Oh, okay, longer equation. I can also see 1 circle, 1 purple, $9. 1 circle, 1 purple, $9. The extra left out thing is a red color, red bow, right? Red circle. So red circle plus 2 group of 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 23. What is red circle? 23 minus 9, which is 23 minus 18 will give you 5. Yeah. Once I know the red color is 5, use shorter equation to find another one. Once I know this one is 5, label 5. Do you know what is a square? 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Easy, this one. Baby math, right? Yes, good job. Okay, now another Kung Fu, second Kung Fu is what we call little helper. Alright? Little helper. What does it mean, little helper? Okay, before that, I want you to find out, do you know what is the, if you only have given this equation, if you only give this equation, if you are only given this equation, do you know what does it, what number represent red color, red flower, what number represent yellow flowers? You don't know, right? Because you cannot guess. Too many possible answers. It can be 1 plus 8, it can be 2 plus 7, or it can be 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, or 5 plus 4, 7 plus 2, so on and so on. Too many combinations. You don't know how to solve it. So that is the reason why you need to use other things to help you. Okay? Now, there is some reason they gave you the second one. Why? They tell you 1 red color equals to 2 yellow color. You don't know what is one number represent, right? You can only solve an equation when all of them are the same item. Do you agree? If all of them are the same item, for example, if all of them, for example, I simply give an example. If all of the all of the red color, 2 red color equals to 10, you will know what is 1 red color, correct? You just divide it by 2. So it's important to make sure the left side have the same item. Okay? So left side, how to make it the same item? Here, the second equation gives you some hint. 1 red color equals to 2 yellow colors. Alright? 1 red color equals to 2 yellow color. So what does it mean? I want to make it all the flowers here the same. How? I cancel which one and replace with? I cancel the red color, replace with 2 yellow color. Oh, maybe I should use yellow color. I cancel, where's my yellow color? Here. I cancel 1 red color and replace with, wow, I cannot see as well. Wow, too bright. I cancel this flower and replace with 2 yellow color. Okay, now on the left side you have 3 same items, right? All of them are yellow color. Now, are you able to find out 1 yellow color? Yes, because 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay, Once you know what is yellow color, are you able to find out the red color? Yes. 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So this is my second Kung Fu, okay, kids? Yeah, Sandy, you are correct. This is our second Kung Fu called Find the Little Helper. Okay? Is to replace. Little helper is the equation with no numbers. Find the little helper and then you replace all of the equation with number, all of them to turn and become same item. Only then you will find out what is one item, what is one yellow color. Replace. Find the little helper and replace. Is that clear? Red 6. Oh yes, correct. Good job, good job. Gupta, correct. Find, this is the second Kung Fu, yeah? Find the little helper. Little helper is the equation with no number. You need to have same item on the left side of the equation to find out what is one yellow color. Is that clear? Now, let's have one question to try. So you have equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Which shape is your little helper? You have blue color diamond, green color square, or purple color star. Which shape is your little helper? Remember what I say? Little helper is the equation with no numbers. So which one is your little helper? Square is your little helper, right? So cancel square, replace with 2 diamond. Cancel square, replace with 2 diamond. Now, use second equation and third equation. Both of them have number. What is the Kung Fu I can use now? Can I still use the, little helper Kung Fu? Kung Fu number 2? I know 4 diamond plus 1 star is 51. 1 diamond plus 1 star is 33. What is the next Kung Fu I can use? I can no longer use little helper, right? I only use little helper, cannot use little helper anymore. So what I use is, come back to Kung Fu number 1. What is it? Tapao method. Group together. 2 items, take away, you put it in the box, $33. Do you realize that there is the exact same thing in longer equation, which is equation number 2? 1 purple plus 1 star is 33. Now 3 diamond plus 33 is 51. What is 1 diamond? 1 diamond is 51 minus 33 divided by 3. So equals to 8. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Once I know this is 6, are you able to find out what is star? 33 minus 6 is 27. Okay, then 27 plus square. Square is 27 plus 27. 27 times 2 is 54. This one okay? Alright, so this is my second Kung Fu. Let me write down here. This is my second Kung Fu. Is what we call find the little helper. Little helper. Little helper is the equation with no numbers. And the concept is basically replace. Equation with no number. And then you need to replace. Okay, replace it. Alright, I already passed you 2 Kung Fu. Now, let's go to the third Kung Fu. Okay, here. Okay, look at my warm-up question. There is a seesaw. Observe it, okay? Observe it. There is a seesaw. You both sides, you will have 1 orange, 1 watermelon, 1 apple, 1 peach. Look at what the conversation they say. The apple on the left side say, I am leaving. But watermelon on the right side say, if you leave, this seesaw will tilt. So peach say, what can we do to balance the seesaw? Wow, what can we do, kids? Left side and right side, both of them have the same item. I kick out one, this apple wants to go already. What happened? Right, the seesaw will tilt. So how can we balance it? How can we balance it? Think about it. How can we balance it? How? Yeah, I need to kick out on the right side as well. Wow, when 2 of the apples gone, balance it again, right? If 1 watermelon want to go, Another watermelon might also want to go, so that your your seesaw will always be balanced. Is that clear? Easy, right, this one? Okay, now let's look at Explorer 4. Oh, sorry, your warm-up question. Not Explorer 4. Your recap. Yes, keep the same thing. Right? Now, recap. Circle plus diamond plus star is 34 plus diamond. Then the second equation, you only have two equations. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Circle plus star is 20. Wow, what should I do now? What should I do now? Remember, equal sign is your seesaw. Left side you have the same item, right side you have the same item, just cancel each other, okay? This is my third kung fu. Cancel each other, it won't affect. Cancel this one, cancel this one, cancel the diamonds, very good. And then after I cancel, I know that circle plus 2 star is 34, right? But do you realize that what other method you can use? You back to kung fu number 1. What is it? Find short in long. Wow, Cindy, very fast. Okay, find short in long. So short you tapao together is $20. This one and this one tapao together is $20. $20 plus a star is 34. That means your star is 34 minus 20 equals to 40. Your star is 40. What about your circle? You know this one is 14. Label immediately, okay? Circle plus 14 is 20. So circle is 20 minus 14 equals to 6. Alright? Is that clear? Oh, good. So this is our third method, alright? Here, I'm doing a quick check. This is our third method. Is what we call cancel. Bye-bye method. Okay, let's give them an easy name. Bye-bye method. Left side and right side, you have the same thing. You kick out. Cancel each other. Cancel same item on both sides, okay? Same items on both sides. 3 method. You can use these 3 methods no matter in TASMO, no matter in TASMO, any exam. In GP as well. 3 method. Find short in long, tapao method. Find little helper. Little helper is the equation with no number. Then you try to replace it. The last method is bye-bye method. Okay? Cancel the same items on both sides. Is it easy to memorize? Don't need memorize. Just understand. 3 methods. Okay? Cool. Alright, now we come to our question number 24. Daisy put some... Oh, we already read the question. Alright, now try to find it. Given that we are looking for the last scale, right? The third scale. 1 red color with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green color. 1 red color with 5 green color. Our final result must be how many purple color, how many yellow colors. Okay? We always solve the question in order. Kids, this question in order. No matter which question you do, in order. Alright? Oh my gosh. Okay? In order. So this one, let's start from first scale. First scale tell you 2 purple color represent 2 equals to 2 red plus 2 green color. What does it mean? That means 1 purple color is Manvik. Hi. Okay, 1 purple color is 1 purple color. Here we always start from the first one, okay? That's me. From the first one, I already analyzed. 1 purple color will be 1 red color plus 1 green color. Because you have 2 groups, right? 2 groups. 1 purple color is 1 red color plus 1 green color. Oh my god, 2 maths. I need to erase it. Read it properly. 1 purple color represent 1 red color plus 1 green color. So come back to the last equation. I know that 1 red color plus 1 green color is 1 purple color. So you have 1 purple color here. Okay? Okay. Now, you already exchanged for 2 of them. Now you still have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green color. Where else you have so many green color? Where else? The middle scale you have so many green colors, right? Your final destination is to get these 4 green color. So this 4 green color is what you are looking for. Despite these 4, what else do you have? 2 red color, 2 green color. Isn't what exactly your scale number A? Isn't it? Isn't it what is exactly your scale number A there? So 2 red color, 2 purple color is 2 sorry, mistake. 2 red color, 2 green color represent 2 purple, right? So this one cancel each other. Remember, 2 same item cancel each other. Okay, now you still have, that means your 4 green color is 2 purple and 1 yellow. 2 purple and 1 yellow here. Okay, so all together you need 3 purple books and 1 yellow books. Okay, is it clear? Maybe I repeat again. Okay, repeat again. Don't be panicked when you face this kind of question. All right, starting from your ending result here, your ending result only have red color, 1 red color and 5 green color. Okay, but what you are looking for is how many purple color and yellow color can balance it. So from there we know that, okay, you have so many green color and only 1 red color. Always, when you want to do in math, always do it in order. Come back to the first one. They tell you 2 purple color is 2 red plus 2 green. So that means 1 purple color is 1 red plus 1 green. Here, this one, until this, okay, right? 1 purple is 1 red plus 1 green. So this one group is 1 purple. I know that here represent 1 purple. And then you will have a lot, here you still have a lot of green color, right? 4 green color. Where you can see so many green color? In the second scale, you can see so many green color here, right? Despite this 4 green color, the rest you will have 2 red color, 2 green color. This one, the rest. This is the rest. These 4 items, 2 red, 2 green, isn't it represent 2 yellow, 2 purple? So if I kick this one, that means I also kick this one. That means 4 green color represent 2 purple color and 1 yellow color. So here 4 green color represent 2 purple color and 1 green color. This is how you derive and then arrive to here. 3 purple color and 1 yellow book to balance scale number 3. Ooh, is that okay? Is it complicated? All good? If you understand, maybe you type a 3. This is shape in equation. They just try to confuse you. Don't worry. 3 steps, only that 3 steps you can solve a lot of things. Alright? Oh yes, Sandy, good. Good, Michael. Okay, cool. Now, let's look at last question. Question number 23. Okay, question number 23. Question number 23. This is Chris, sorry, typo here. Chris is walking to school from home. If he walks 80 meters every minute, he will reach school 6 minutes before the lesson starts. If he walks 50 meters every minute, he will be late for 3 minutes. They are how many meters from Chris' home to school? Wow, this question. When I learned this one, when you look at this question, do you think this is distant question? You know this, Sandy, what question is it? What type of question is it? What type of question is it? Is it a distant? No, this is not something related to distance. You learned this before. For my CO student, you learned this before. What is it? Can you type it up? Is it chicken and rabbit? Eggs? Or maybe it's too long, sorry. It's actually excess and shortage, right? I will show you later. Now, I give you some warm-up question before we start. Okay? Now, let's look at this one. The Monkey King gives peaches to the little monkeys. If each monkey receives 4 peaches, there will be 5 peaches left. Okay, 5 peaches left. However, if each monkey receives 5 peaches, all the peaches will be equally distributed. Question: how many little monkeys and how many peaches are there? Good job, Sandy. Excess and shortage. How many little monkeys and how many peaches are there? This time. You must learn how to analyze the question, alright? Excess and shortage. What does it mean, excess and shortage? I will show you now. Here, the question already tell you very clearly. You have 2 different items, right? One is monkey, one is peaches. 2 characters here. Your number of monkey will never change here. Your number of peaches will never change here. Because the question never tell you they eat or what. No. So your number of monkey and number of peaches is fixed. So let's see, okay? If one monkey receive 4 peaches, 4 peaches, 4 peaches, I don't know how many monkey. Every monkey receive 4 peaches. I will have extra 5 peaches left. Extra 5 peaches in the basket, okay, in my basket. Okay, if this is the first situation, if I redistribute it, okay, every monkey I give 5 peaches, 5 peaches, 5 peaches. Maybe I write now 4, 4, 4. Oh, maybe I should write now. This the first situation is 4, 4, 4 peaches. 4, I will have extra 5. Second situation is 5. Oh yo, 5, 5, 5, dot, 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 5. I will get nothing. Why? Think about why. Too fast. Okay, too fast. Why? It's not speed. Don't worry about that. It will not become a question like this. Speed is P3 onwards, P4, P3, P4 onwards. Speed is the question P3 onwards. Don't worry about it. Okay? Why redistribute? Now think about it like this. First situation, I give 4 peaches to 1 monkey. Second situation, I give 5 peaches to 1 monkey, and then I will have nothing in my basket. What does it mean? Every time I give how many more to 1 monkey? I give 1 more to 1 monkey, right? Every time I give 1 more. These 5 peaches, I give this monkey 1. I give this monkey 1, 1, 1 until I left nothing in the basket. How many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? You see my thumbs up? That means your answer is correct. How many monkeys are there? At first, I give every monkey 4, 4, 4. All the monkey 4, I will have extra 5 peaches in the basket. And then I distribute again. Excess and shortage is comparison, okay? I redistribute again. I give every monkey 5, 5, 5. That means from here, from the extra, I give everyone 5, 5, 5. I will have nothing left in the end. How many monkeys are there? If I give everyone 4, every monkey 4, extra 5 peaches in the basket. I redistribute again. Out of this 5, I give again. Give this monkey 1, 1, 1. Because I give extra 1 more, right? I give them 1, 1, 1. I get nothing. How many monkeys are there? You will have 5 monkeys. Good job. Why is it 5? Let me write down the equation properly for you. This is how teacher Michelle teach my student, yeah? Here, these 5, out of the 5 monkey in the basket, 5 peaches in the basket, I redistributed, right? I redistributed, give you 1, give you 1, give you 1. So what is it? Is actually here is it's quite similar. Wow, you found the concept. Chicken rabbit and excess and shortage is actually quite similar. Here is your, you use this one. Here is your big difference, right? Your big difference is 5. I used the left 5 peaches here. I redistributed everyone. Here is your small difference, correct? From the 5 remaining peaches, I give everyone 1. How do you know it's 1? Because 5 minus 4, I give everyone extra 1. So here, out of 5, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 0, okay, big difference, divided by small difference. I redistributed, give everyone 1 more. So 5 minus 4. 5 divided by 1 equals to 5. That means you will have 5 monkeys. 5 monkeys. Now you need to see how many peaches are there. Okay, 5 monkeys. If 1 monkey receive 4, you will have extra 5 peaches. This one is 5 times 4, 20 plus 5 is 25. Or, how to double check? 5 monkey, if every monkey receive 5 peaches, you get nothing left. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 0 equals to 25. Once you find out these 2 equations the same, that means your answer is correct. Okay? Let me what is it? Let me repeat. Let me repeat. Okay, let me repeat. They tell you, first situation, they tell you, if every monkey receive 4 peaches, 4 peaches, 4 peaches, you will have extra 5 peaches left in your basket. Second situation tell you, if I give every monkey 5 peaches, 5 peaches, 5 peaches, you will have nothing left. What does it mean? You have extra 5 in the basket. You give every monkey 1 more peaches, right? Because 4 to 5, I give every monkey 1 more peaches. How many monkey I have? It's actually, I use the difference here, 5 to 0. 5, these 5 peaches, I redistributed, give everyone 1, 1, 1. That means you will have 5 monkeys. Alright? 5 monkeys, 1 monkey you get 4, 4, 4, 4. You will have extra 5. Extra 5 monkey, if every monkey get 4, you will have extra 5. 5 times 4 plus 5, very good. 5 times 4 plus 5 is 25. Or you use second equation to double check. 5 monkey, if I give every monkey 5, you will left nothing. 5 times 5 is, plus 0 is 25. Yes, correct. Easy? This is how we do excess and shortage. Use big difference divide small difference. Big difference divided by small difference to find number of monkey. Okay, now I'll give you some question to try. Bonus, recap, sorry. So they say what? Galvin is sharing some of his Pokemon cards with his friends. If he gives all his friends 3 cards, he will have 4 cards left. If he gives all his friends 5 cards each, he will need another 10 cards. Here, I give you a hint. If they are comparing 2 situations, you will know this is excess and shortage. You compare and you will able to find out, because you don't know if they only give you 1 situation. That is the reason why they give you 2 situations to compare, find out how many items, how many friends, how many cards. Here you have 2 characters here, right? One is friends, another one is cards. Remember just now my example? You need to find how many monkeys, how many peaches. So here, what represents your monkey? If I give everybody, what represent number of monkey? Friends is actually your monkeys. I share what to what, okay? Oh, I can write here. Friends is actually your monkey. Cards is actually your number of peaches. Alright, if he give all his friends 3, just write down the equation. 3, 3, 3, ... 3. You will have 4 cards left. Question, what does it mean? Excess or shortage? You will have 4 extra cards left. That means you will have extra 4 more cards. So it's E4, extra 4, excess 4. Second situation, this is your first situation. Second situation, if he gives his friend 5, 5, 5, ... 5, you will need another 10 cards. What does it mean here? Does he have that much card? He doesn't have, right? So you need to borrow. That means you're not enough. You need to borrow. He will need another 10 cards. That means you shortage. Not enough. You need to borrow 10 cards. Shortage of 10. Here, again, you need to use the concept of this one. If extra 4 is 4th floor on top of the ground. Shortage 10 is 10th floor underground. What is the big difference here? It's 14. So here the big difference is 14. Here the small difference is 2. Remember excess and shortage, big difference divides small difference. How? So how? When there are 2 different directions, you use plus. When they are same direction, you use minus. So here, oh my gosh, sorry. Here is 10 plus 4 divided by small difference is 5 minus 3. So here is 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. 7 what? 7 monkey or 7 peaches. We are looking for this one. This is the number of monkey, okay? What is this? Vertical is the number of monkey. Horizontal is the number of peaches. Alright? Horizontal is the number of peaches. So here you have 7 monkey, which means 7 friends. Sorry to say friends as monkey, okay? 7 friends. If you have 7 friends, you check, okay? 7 friends, all of them getting 3, you will have extra 4. Or 7 friends, all of them 5, you have shortage of 10. Shortage is minus, extra is plus. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 4 is 25. 7 times 5 is 35 minus 10 is 25. Once these 2 answer the same, that means your answer is correct. 7 friends, 25 cards. Okay? Okay, is it clear? Big difference divided by small difference. You must understand the recap first. That's why it's very important. Every time teacher give you the, warm-up question, lead-in question, is for you to understand. Alright? It's go by layer by layer. But sorry, because due to time is limited, I can only give you the example of excess and shortage. Okay? Find number of monkeys, then find number of peaches. What is number of monkey? Your friends. What is number of peaches? Your number of cards. Okay? You see, all of them are same unit. Alright? Ooh, cool. Now we come back to this question. This is tricky. They say what? Chris is walking to school from home. If he walks 80 minutes every minute, 80 meters every minute, he will reach school 6 minutes before the lesson starts. If he walks 50 meters every minute, he will be late for 3 minutes. They are how many meters from Chris' home to school? I have 2 methods to teach you. right? You depends on which method you like. Depends on which method you like. This is the hardest question, right? Okay, let's write down. What is your monkey? What represent your monkey? What represent your pictures? Think about it. You're given two situations. When you are given two situations, you must, inside your brain, you must analyze like this. This is excess and shortage question. Okay, excess and shortage question. Okay, given two situations, ask you to compare excess and shortage. So they say monkey, right? Monkey is your, you can convert like this. Chris is walking to school from home. If he gets 80 monkey every pictures is correct, or if he gets 80 pictures every monkey, which one is correct? If he give every monkey 80 pictures, right, is correct. So this one will be your monkey. This one will be your pictures. Use logical reasoning, kids. Not hard at all. Use logical reasoning. If you monkey will be minute, pictures will be meter. So let's write down the equation. Okay, let's write down the equation. Too red the color, sorry, I need to change. Maybe green color is better. Gosh. Okay, so if it works 80 meter every minute, so 1 minute I work like this, 1 minute I work like this, 1 minute, 1 minute I work like this, 80 minute, 80 minute. Oh my gosh, 80 minute. He will reach school 6 minutes before lesson starts. This is the tricky part. I will show you later. I will teach you the first method, number 1 first. You will reach school 6 minutes before lesson start, okay? Then, the second equation is 50 meter, 50 meter, 50 meter. Sorry, you will leave 6 minutes before start, so 6 minutes. You will arrive school 6 minutes before it start. But when you go for second situation, if he walks 50 meter every minute, he will be late for 3 minutes. That means not only this 6 minutes, you get late for this 6 minutes, you further late for 3 minutes. You're supposed to be here, right? Suppose your distance should be like this. First situation, oh my gosh, my drawing is bad. Okay. Suppose your distance is like this. Okay, your distance is like this. If you walk very fast, 80 meter, you will reach before the time, before this time, before the class starts, so we reach here. All right, at 6 minutes before. If you walk very slow, 50 meter, 50 meter, 50 meter, you need this much time, you will still need extra 3 more minutes. So that is what the question say. Okay, I give you, this is my first method. All right, don't worry about that first. Don't worry about the others first. If you be late for, you not only spend 6 minutes here, you further spend 3 more minutes. That means 3 more minutes here. Okay, that means what is the difference? The difference here is 50 times 6 is 300. Here is 50 times 3 is 150. Their big difference is, sorry. The big difference here is, let me draw like this, okay? The big difference here is 300 plus 150 is 450. The small difference here is 30. So you do a big difference divided by small difference thingy. 480 divided by 30 is, when you have 0, 0, cancel each other, 1, 3. 1, 5, sorry, 1, 5. Yes, 1, 5. 15. Then you double check, okay? If 15 minute, okay, 15 times 80, will it be same as 15 times 50 plus extra 450? You check, okay? So 15 times 80 is 0, 4, 1,200, right? Here, cannot write equal sign like this. Or 15 times 50 is 0, 2750 plus 450 is also 1,200. This is the first method. You understand that? Okay, let me repeat that. You understand here. First situation, they tell you if you walk 80 meter, you will reach school faster. Okay, 6 minutes before your lesson starts. So I leave 6 gap here. If you walk very slow, 50 meter, 50 meter, not only you need to spend this, not only you have 50 minutes, not only you have this 6 minutes, later than the first situation, you will be late for 3 minutes. So altogether he late for 9 minutes. 9 minutes here is every slot here is 50, 50, 50, 50. Altogether you late for 150. 150 is your big 450 is your big difference. Big difference here is your small difference. Remember, big difference divided by small difference. Okay, 450 divided by 30 is your 15. Now you check. 15 times 80, is it equals to 15 times 50 plus the extra time? Plus the extra time. 450 here. Will they be the same? If they are the same, that means your answer is correct. Okay, some of you might not understand this method. Never mind, right? Let's use the E and S method. Okay, again, if they walk 80 meter, again, yeah, sorry, monkey is your minute. This 80 meter is your pitches, is your distance. The meter, okay? If every monkey if every minute is 80 meter, all the way 80 meter, you will reach, okay, why don't I do like this? This is the time that you should reach your school, right? If you walk very fast, you will reach your school faster than what you expected. So there is a shortage of shorter than what you expected. Shortage of 6 minutes. Okay, I write 6 minutes here first. You will understand why is it like this. Okay. Then second situation, if I walk 50 meter, 50 meter, 50 meter, dot 50 meter, okay, you will be late for 3 minutes. Okay, your normal time is like this. You will be extra late for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes late for 3 minutes. You need extra 3 more minutes. Until here, you okay? This is a bit complicated. Don't be very careful on calculation. No, you cannot avoid any calculation mistake. Now, if you do like this, I know some of my kids do like this. Very good. You find your S and E, but think about it. Just now the example here represent number of monkey, right? Horizontal represent number of pitches. Remember this example? Pitches. How many pitches left? But look at this one. Can it be meter, and then shortage of 6 minutes? No, right? You need to convert to same unit. So 6 minutes represent how many pitches? It represent how many meter? You shortage of 6 minutes. 1 minute here, 1 minute you can work 80 meter. So that means you shortage of, you cannot write 6 minutes. Unit must be the same. 6 minutes times 8 is 480. Okay? Here, 50, you will need extra 3 minutes. That means you need to work extra 3 minutes, in which 1 minute is 50 meter. 3 times 50 is 150. It's actually exactly the same. Now remember, when we say two different directions is a plus together, right? So what is this plus together? 630. This is 30. Big difference divided by small difference. This is 21, correct? Yes, 21. 21 times 80 minus 480 and 21 times 50 plus 150. Will it be the same? Minus 480 equals to 1,200, right? This one is plus 150 also equals to 1,200, right? So these two situations the same. That means your answer is correct. The total distance here is 1,200 meter. Okay? Which method do you understand? Isong, you understand? This is not about speed. This is about excess and shortage. You are comparing two different situations. To me, I personally like method number 2 because I like the concept of E and S. But you must make sure it's not shortage of 6 minutes. You arrive 6 minutes. You arrive 6 minutes before the class start. Okay? You arrive 6 minutes before. That means you shortage of 6 minutes. 1 minute you can work 80 meter. You convert to the same unit. 1 minute you can work 80 meters. So 6 minutes, that means you shortage of 480. 1 minute, the second situation, you work very slow. 50 meter. You will need extra 3 minutes. So excess 3 minutes. 1 minute is 50 meter. 50 times 3 is 150. When these two symbols is different, plus them together. Big difference divided by small difference is 21. 21, then you check. 21 times the first situation, shortage is minus 1, minus 480, and 21 times 50 meter plus the 180. If these two answer the same, your answer will be the correct answer. Yes, good job, Isong. Okay, cool. If you understand, this is the last question, hardest question. I hope you understand. During the exam, okay, let me talk about the techniques later. Any question so far? If you understand, can you type maybe 5? If you understand, the number of pictures here must be the same unit. Cannot here be pictures become shortage of monkey, yeah? This is the number of monkey. Vertical is number of monkey, horizontal is your number of pictures. Must understand this one. Yeah, cool. Right, if you understand, please type a 5. Thank you, hope you understand. Hope you understand. Yeah, thank you. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna share with you I'm gonna remind you some important things, right? So TASMO is coming this Monday, right? It's a public holiday. Your exam time is 90 minutes. Kid, listen carefully. 90 minutes. Manage your time. Use your time wisely. Your exam time will be 4:15 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. Reporting time is 3:30 p.m. Please make sure you come here on time, right? Don't be late. Please don't be late. I'm gonna show you later how you can go to your the exam hall. Please arrive at 3:30 or before 3:30 to report, or before 3:30. Register yourself, settle down yourself, and you will start your exam. Bring your stationery, and hopefully you can bring your jacket. Bring jacket and bring stationery there. Alright? Okay? Exam is 13 on November, this coming Monday. Exam time is 90 minutes. Please arrive before 3:30 p.m. You need to report by 3:30 p.m. Your exam time will be, tell your parents, your exam time is 4:15 to 5:45. Okay? Make sure you bring your contest pass, yeah? And whatever you can identify yourself. Then 3 sections here. Section A, B, and C. Section A is question number 1 to 10. It's MCQ. You need to shape your answer, just like TASMO or SMKC. You need to shape your answer. Section B is 11 to 20, short answer. Section C is also 21 to 25, short answer. Right? Short answer means you need to write down your answer. The AES is like this. Answer entry sheet is like this. A to B to C. Here, what should I do? Circle. Circle fully shaped, just like this one. This one is not accepted, okay? Not accepted. First thing first, write down your name. For example, my name. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. School name. Maybe I'm from Ting Academy. You write down your own school name, okay? Teacher Michelle from Ting Academy. You write down what is your primary school. Write properly, nicely. Fill in your index number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then shade it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shade it nicely, alright? Please shade it nicely. Which level are you in? You are grade 2. Grade 2, shade grade 2. For ABC, for MCQ, just shade the answer. Just shade the answer like this, okay? Just shade, fully shade. For short answer, short answer, it's not like TASMO. It's not like TASMO. Don't write 0487 like this, yeah? If your answer is 487, don't write 0487. Just write 487. Okay? Is that clear? Don't write 0487. You are not going to shade the digit there. Just write down. If your answer is 9, just write down one single digit 9. If your answer is 15, just write down 15. No more 0015. This one is not TASMO. Only TASMO require you to shade 0015. Okay? Alright, I think I'm gonna show you this one. How to go to our exam hall. This is very important. Why I cannot click? Wait, how to go to example? Our exam hall. Where is it? Okay, here. I cannot. You see our screen? Do you see my screen there, kids? Yes, I think I can see my screen here. You see that if you're going to take if you are going to take MRT, If you are red line, go to Bishan and change to yellow station. Yellow station, go to Paya Lebar, okay? Go to Bishan first, red line, Bishan, take yellow line to Paya Lebar. Look at this board here. They will tell you where is LLI. What is it? A learning something. You see? Lifelong Learning Institute. Go according to the board, alright? Lifelong is exit B. Sorry, again, here. You see here, oh, again, another board show you where is LLI. So go straight, go up, take a lift out. Okay, once you reach outside, here I think they skip something. Once you reach outside, turn to your right hand side. Right hand side, see this Lao Zheng Ji here? Turn to your right hand side. Okay, here when you write all the way around 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you will see there is a label here, LLI. There is a rock sign here, LLI. Turn right hand side. Okay, and one more thing I want to say, if you have 25 questions, right? 90 minutes. Make sure you use your time wisely. You just plan your time. What time to do what question, and then you leave some time to do double checking. Kids must do double checking. Don't stuck on one question and then you spend. Let's say you start on question number 5. You spend 30 minutes here. Wow, if you're my student, I'm gonna hit your buttock. Don't spend your time like this. You skip this question. Maybe you put a star. Go to other question. Finish other question. At the end, you come back to this question. If you don't know, let's say you don't know question number 21, never mind. Don't spend a lot of time here. Double check all the question. If this question you don't know how to do, it's okay. You don't have any minus mark. You make sure the rest, those questions you finish, you must make sure that Alex are correct question. You answer correctly. Okay? Must make sure those questions you answer correctly. Don't spend 30 minutes on one question. If you are my student, I'm gonna hit your buttock and listen carefully. Okay? Okay. I hope all the best. Alright? I wish you all the best. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can ting tong the Apu. Can you leave a comment, or you ting tong Apu, or you WhatsApp teacher Michelle? Never mind, or WhatsApp your teacher. Okay, if you have any question. Alright, if you have no question, that's it for today. All the best, kids. Bye-bye. Bye, Cindy, bye.